Hello, I wanted to take a moment to give you some tips and tricks that will make Chapter 3 much easier for your student. I want you to spend some time and really focus on the numbers you could add together to make 10. For example, 1 plus 9 is 10, but they can also know, of course, that the reverse of that add-ins, 9 plus 1 equals 10. It's going to make their Chapter 3 experience so much easier. Spend some time here. Another thing that will make Monday's lesson specifically easier for your student is if they can focus on different ways to break up a number. For example, 9 could be 1 plus 8. It could be 2 plus 7. It could be 6 plus 3. Or it could be 5 plus 4. Just understanding the flexibility of the numbers will not only help with algebraic thinking later on down the line when they're having to solve equations, but it's going to help Monday's lesson, which I will actually send out to you guys Sunday evening so you can get a preview of that. Thanks so much.